Hi everyone, this is Ria, and yes, after about 3 months of thinking of doing it, I will finally be able to show you how to dry flowers or DIY dried blooms. It actually started when we were on our way home. We saw this abundant, blooming, beautiful talahib sa tapat ng highway, and I thought of why not try them like the ones we usually see and the ones they call pampas. But the problem was I couldn't reach them until one day or one morning, just like now. Just my luck, I found the same within our subdivision, and I also found other types. I'm sure you will be interested in this project if you're a provinciana like me. All you have to do is keep on watching this video. So tara, samahan niyo ako as I get some blooms to dry. Let's begin by bringing the most important thing we need. It's gunting. Dito sa area namin, medyo madaming mga bahay na walang nakatira. Kaya ang nangyayari, ayun, nakuha ng tubuan ng mga damo hanggang sa maging talahib na sila. Like this one. But because of that, makikinabang tayo. Kaya nananawagan po ako kung sino man ang may-ari ng bahay na to. Hihingi po ko ng mga damo ninyo. Ayan, so ganda. Well, fast forward na tayo kasi hindi ko na-videohan yung pag-cut ko kasi minadali ko lang. So, itong mga nakuha natin ay 6 pieces. Itong isang nakuha ko, nakita ko doon nakatumba na siya. And I think nag-dry na siya ng konti. So, I assume ganito yung magiging itsura nila pag na-dry natin. I tied them together in pairs using rubber bands. So this way, we will be able to hang them upside down. Find an area in your house where it is dry but has enough ventilation, and there you can hang your blooms upside down. Last time, dun tayo nanawagan, and this time, dito naman tayo sa kabila. Shout out sa may-ari ng bahay na to. Thank you very much po kahit hindi nyo mapanood yung vlog na to. Okay, so eto na yung mga na-harvest natin. We've got this bundle of tumutusok na damo. And then this one, by far my favorite one. And finally, we've got this other bundle here na I think one of the most common na damo na makikita nyo dyan sa tabi-tabi. For this maroon na blooms, ginroup ko siya into 3 and then tinay ko siya using rubber bands as well. Ito namang isa, inalis ko lang yung leaves niya and then pinagsama-sama ko na siyang lahat kasi madali siyang maglagas. Let's see kung anong itsura niya pag dried, pero I'm not sure kung isasama ko pa to kasi nakakatusok talaga siya, guys. Huwag na lang kayo kumuha ng ganito, ha. And this, medyo madali din siya maglagas kaya hindi ko na inalis yung leaves. Mukhang maganda naman. And let's see, I'm so excited. You can see, hinaan ko na din sila katabi ng mga nauna nating kinuhang talahib. And ang observation ko dito sa 4-day-old nating talahib is nag-compress siya. But at the same time, naging fluffy siya, which is super nice. Ganun nga yung naging itsura niya dun sa isang nakuha natin. I'm so looking forward on how they will turn out after a few weeks. They say it needs to be 2 to 4 weeks till they are completely dried. For the other one, so due to limited space, nilagay ko na lang dito sa tabi ng sabitan namin ng towel. And hinabilin ko sa asawa ko na wag na lang tatamaan kasi madaling maglagas. So, eto na yung mga itsura nila ngayon. Fortunately, hindi na sila gaanong naglagas. But unfortunately, hindi ko napakita na inisprayan ko sila ng hairspray. Sorry! Update on this one is nag-pale yung color niya and lumutong siya. But despite the hairspray, ayan, naglalagas pa din siya. So, and this one, my favorite, this is amazing. Kasi dati purple siya, ngayon white na siya, na iba na yung itsura. Actually, nag-bloom siya, which is super cool and beautiful. And this one, it's fully dried, I guess. Meron ako mga bagong batch ng talahib, but we'll disregard them for now kasi ipapamigay ko yung mga yan. Let's move on to this one. Ayan, actually, I can't believe they turned out to be very beautiful. And, good thing they are now odorless. Kasi nung una, may amoy sila na malansa and I didn't like it. Kabuti naman nawala na after 2 weeks. Now I have no other option, so I'm gonna use this vase, which looks good naman. I bought this dati from Japan Homes for only 80 pesos. Matangkad itong mga talahib masyado, so tatansyahin natin kung gaano kahaba yung ikakat natin. So siguro mga ganito.